So I have a lot of blending tutorials, and look at this beautifully blended base coat. So simple. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to create this. I'm using water-based paint pen here. I'm going to do these in two tones here. So place a little bit of your paint pen down. Don't worry about streaks or stripes. I'm going to start with a little bit of a dabbing motion just to get the paint spread out, and then a little bit of like a circular rubbing motion just to get it spread across half my rock. Then I'm going to flip my rock over, use a second color, something that I think will blend pretty, and put that down. I'm going to use a separate finger to smear that one around and get it to the middle area where I'm going to start swirling together with the edge of my first color. Then I'm going to go back, add a little bit more of that first color, and I'm going to smear it and smudge it back into that first one. This works so well. The only tip I have is keep track of which finger is kind of lighter and darker as you're swirling and smearing your colors together. But if you just work back and forth quickly here, this is real time. I didn't cut this at all. Look how beautiful of a base coat that is. So I am going to show you one more combination here. I have this beautiful teal and this beautiful blue that I'm going to blend together. Now I'm working right on these white stones. This doesn't have a base coat or anything, so the stone kind of absorbs a little bit of the paint. They're very affordable stones. You can get them on Amazon. I have them in our Amazon shop. And then I'm using water-based paint pens here. So I'm just showing the process for you here with this one more time so you can kind of work back and forth between the paint and your finger. If you need a little more paint, add a little bit more paint. But as you can see, you don't have to use as much marker as if you were going to do a solid base coat on your entire rock. Simply add a design, a kind word, kind phrase, or just a simple flower or heart, and these are perfect for hiding around town.